We have designed and built your custom outdoor kitchen from our modular cabinet catalog. This is how your kitchen will be delivered. Your drawings will reflect the complete assembly and all the modular components that make it up. Now we're going to start unpacking your custom kitchen and start building it. You want to separate your components. Notice that the legs are pre-assembled in all your cabinet sections. That'll indicate the bottom of the panel. As you're unpacking, you want to take an inventory of all your components and lay them out in the manner they're going to be assembled, starting with the end corner, the refrigerator opening, the double drawer opening, the corner section, and the grill with the double door opening, and then your other end cap. All right, now that you have all your components built and you're ready for final assembly, we're going to start putting the whole thing together. Now you're ready for your drawer assembly. And now your refrigerator assembly. So here's your completed outdoor kitchen. As you can see, the components, the drawer and the double door are already ready for you to install. They came complete. We install the cement board to all the components. You're ready to go. This is how it's completed.